So I just got home from getting the rest of my stuff because I just recently moved, and I'm going to vlog this entire thing. Suitcase number one that still needs to be unpacked, a whole bunch of clothes and linens, books that need to go onto the shelf. This is my bed and the other suitcase, and all this stuff needs to get put away. This is one of my bookshelves, and as you can see, I've put a lot of the Jewish books on the top 3 shelves. Down there is going to be everything that's not Jewish in nature. More books there, and I made a little cat bed. And oh look! More friggin' books. Even more freaking books. Gotta have all 3 volumes of a series. Oh, I want to try some of the recipes in this, and I'm really hoping I get to within the next couple of months. I think that about covers my Jewish books, so I'm going to organize. So my entire life I've been told that I'm allergic to nuts because my mother's allergic to nuts, but apparently I'm not. So let's try some peanuts next. First of all, it's going to be peanut butter brown butter. I've always wanted to try this, so here we go. Next up is going to be this Overjoyed limited edition strawberry lemonade trail mix. I found this in the clearance section of Safeway. Okay, I like that. That's good. That's good. That's really good. I'm trying not to eat it all in one sitting. And finally, we have Snack Club Tahini Peanuts. So, let's see how these are. I really liked tahini seasoning, like street corn and stuff, but never had it on peanuts, so. Oh my god. This is amazing. They do a corn kernel version of this, and I really, really liked it. But this is just next level right here. So, the peanut butter bomba kind of tastes like if Cheeto Puffs were peanut butter flavored. Like, it's got that texture, but when you bite into it, boom, peanut butter.